Hi, this video is for anyone feeling sick and tired of your career or struggling with the life puzzle. My name is Erika, and 5 years ago, I was a store manager in Sweden, working long hours and always under high pressure. Today, I work online, meaning that I only need my laptop and Wi-Fi to make online income. What really made me realize that I needed a big change in my life was when I was diagnosed with severe burnout and depression. Even though I had been warned for a long time that I needed to slow down, I did not listen because I was so sure that I was not the kind of person that would get sick or depressed. In fact, I thought I was brilliant to handle stress and juggle all the balls in the air at the same time. So, in my recovery from this, I realized that after being a manager for 6 different stores and owning 4 companies myself, with the intention to earn a lot of money, I always ended up working from early morning till late evenings or even through the whole night. I worked on holidays and weekends as well. I lost so many years of my 3 children's growth. I never wanted to get back to that kind of life again. So I started to investigate how to do things otherwise. I read the book The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss, and I got impressed with his way of thinking, that it was not only possible to work less, but foolish to continue trading your precious time for money as an employee. I continued to study this subject and got to the conclusion that time is the only thing I can't get more of, and the size of my income doesn't have to be related to the number of hours I work. I understood that I need to learn how to make an automated income stream. I'm sure you can follow me in this because most of us dream about finding the perfect business opportunity. The big questions are what to sell and how. One day I stumbled over an ad that presented me to one of the best online entrepreneurs in the world. I signed up for a workshop series where he explained everything about the digital economy and how it's possible to build a successful business online that with time can provide you with a passive income. I learned the meaning of being an affiliate. They also taught me about the importance of selling products that will give me big commissions. This was the business opportunity I had been searching for so many years. Access to a global market, being able to earn money 24 hours a day, and being my own boss, working on hours that fits me. If anything of this resonates with you, if you're not 100% satisfied with your current work situation, please click on the link somewhere around this video and sign up for this workshop series you too. Don't worry about your age or your technical skills. If I could do this, you can too. Just give yourself a chance to get a change in your life. Please don't wait until it's too late. You are the one who needs to take action, and you can make a huge difference in your life. So again, just click on this link and sign up for the workshop series. I will send it to you for free. You probably have tons of questions right now, but just make sure to watch the videos every day the next week, and you will get answers to most of them. Remember that we are thousands of students that successfully have done this before you. We are of all ages, from different backgrounds, and from every part of the world. We will be there for you and help you along the way to building your new business online. So let's get started. Click the link now and see what an online business can do for you.